If you see your brother standing by the road with a heavy load from the city soul, and if you see your sister falling by the way, just stop and say, you're going the wrong way. You've got to try Onpassive kindness. Let's show Onpassive kindness. Just shine your light for everyone to see. And if you try Onpassive kindness, then you always see the brightness of helper-minded people with Onpassive light to shine. Don't walk around the down and out. Lend a helping hand instead of doubt. And the kindness that you're showing every day will help someone along their way. You've got to try Onpassive kindness. Let's show Onpassive kindness. Just shine your light for everyone to see. And if you've tried Onpassive kindness, then you'll always see the brightness of helper-minded people with Onpassive light to shine. Got to try Onpassive kindness. Show Onpassive kindness. Let's shine your light for everyone to see. And if you've tried Onpassive kindness, then you'll always see the brightness of helper-minded people with Onpassive light to shine.